Hello everyone. Let's see. So, now since we have the dialogue system, we now want to open a manager UI, which I should create. Like this. How did we name the others? This menu. I didn't call it UI. Not consistent with my naming, but I guess doesn't matter that much. Well, let's get rid of it. Anyway, now this thing, or I forget. It's this. Yeah. So the UI is here. I could just add something to indicate that it is there, so we know that we spawned it. Something like this. For now. Then I guess we need our state machine. And we said that we might want to save the type here. What is this type? Dialog content type. Content type. Type. One. And save it. Like so. Okay. Now we have it here. How do we do this? Depending on the type. Should I do a switch? I will not have more of this, I think. I could do this instead, where I say, if not, code instructions, which means I cannot mix code instructions with text. Maybe that's not the way we should go, because we will close this dialogue UI thing when there is no more parent. I need to make this some kind of... I could force a close. Like, these instructions will have many things. So maybe I don't need an if. I could force a close. Yeah. And then after that I need to open a menu again. So we shouldn't do this. We should actually still get the text and so on. And on top, do the instructions. And the instructions should not be in the UI. So the code needs to go here, I guess. Okay. Do code instructions. So. And then. And put this here. And put it in here. So first the UI gets updated and then any instructions we have will be fired depending on what the instruction is for each. And we could say switch. Something like close dialogue. How do I know the graph is not needed anymore? Because if I close, I still want... Ah, but of course. This is its own thing, right? If the node is dead, this is still an object. It's not a reference. maybe that works. I could close the dialog, which means clearing or flushing also the graph, maybe. Would be strange to have the graph still. If we close the dialog, we might want to flush it too in the end. Is flush the correct name? What does Google say? IT flush. There even a definition? Ensure that all the buffer data is actually written out rather than language. Okay, so maybe flush is not the correct name here. Let's rewrite it as here. Be right back. Alright, where was I? Ah yeah, clearing. So this thing, close dialogue. I don't know, open manage Orbling manager. Which means whoops. Not find. Oh, come on. Fix it. No. Top 3 is this one. This one. Right. Now, how do we open this Orbling manager is another issue, of course. But now, if I go to the dialogue, that thing needs to close, right? And with no errors. So boom, boom. Manage, it should close everything, but it didn't. Can leave though. So what happens? Must this even get fired? And this gets fired for sure. What is after that? When I close it. I should not be able to execute this graph if we don't have anything. What does this do? This resumes, but we don't want to go. We don't do this multiple times. Okay, but that doesn't explain, of course, why it doesn't go in here and do stuff. Maybe I have a typo? We will see. Okay, we press here and nothing happens, which means maybe the UI itself isn't bending. Look here. Does do this. So where does it go then? Oh, interesting. It has no text ID, it cannot go through that. Should be fine then. Some errors. I wonder at what time that one went through. It's this branch. Thus we flush it. There is no more this. I mean, why not? We can still do this, doesn't matter. With this it should have a little safeguard. Hey Scene! Welcome, welcome. How are you today? And press, and it is resumed. Okay, perfect. Since this is now working, now I can go ahead and actually do this, which means we need the UI controller to open menu in what canvas? Esoteric? What means esoteric in that context? I see. Where was that again? Where's my hierarchy? Wait, I need UI. Where the hell am I? Hierarchy, there. I guess main front panel then? Am I using the main front panel for the other UIs too? Ah, I see. Esoteric means hard to understand. I thought esoteric means something spiritual. Or thinking, like believing in spiritual stuff, but I don't know. I have a custom hitbox system for weapon attacks. Need to upstep it. Present. Wait. Can't you like memorize what you wear in a frame, or do you need like to go back in the future? How do you calculate that? I see. Yeah, I have something similar, like a similar problem. I'm sure I can show you. Let's go to the start area. Now I have like my walking logic does not use any physics from Unreal. I always go to the direction of speed where my little character would go, and then make a ray trace to the floor and see if there is a point. So if I have a lag spike and then go from here to here, you normally have a blocked place here, but if it raycasts here because the delta is too high, it could jump over gaps, of course. So if I need something more precise, I need to also cast in the middle or something. I see, yeah. Oh, we use the main front. Main front. Wait, no, this is the hierarchy. And then main front. And this is manager. Of course, I would need to freeze the world again, I guess. Oops. Over here. Freeze. What happens if I freeze multiple times? It just does the same thing. It just pauses this and world entity. Do I freeze this actually? Doesn't seem like it that I freeze the character itself. this guy. There. I set the actor tick. Unpaused. Ah. Pause unpause handle. Never mind, it's my own function. Wait, so all this basically doing ear trace, up steps, traces. Do you do this per tick? I guess it is. Alright, then this should now open that menu, right? Without me doing any checks. Oops. So, I press this, a big white square needs to... Yes! And with this, we are done with the dialogue and now are in the territory of the manager. How huge are we talking? We have a free spike. I see. I still need a name for that place, man. Going crazy. How am I going to tackle this now? This is a whole new can of worms. Yeah, right. Or meaningful, at least. I mean, I don't even have a concept for that room, so I don't know what to call it. Will it be a library? Will it be a shrine? I don't know. I also don't know what my game is called. So I need something like this again, I guess. I need a storage of Orblings. Also, if I have something like that in the manager and I don't have this ring or individual Orblings, then I have a UI break between this thing and the other thing. At least this still works. Flashbang. If this is a library of some kind, maybe you have like this task to categorize Orblings, I don't know, but then again, why wouldn't they categorize it before you doing it? But we could add something like this here, but it could also be in the status to begin with. I guess it has no place here. What we want to do is change the abilities though. Or make stronger. Whatever we will call this. In the other game it was called merge. The lore wipe. You could look at it as in layers maybe. Initially you are in this world where you are like on these islands and so on, and you're tasked to get to the top. But when you reach it, this world will break apart and you will see that the fantasy world in front of you is actually a digital one. And then you are asked to repair it again. So the vibe is more like it looks gamey, and then it is apparent that it is it looks like it because it is a game. Or a simulation or something. This is Mirror's Edge. It's looping one song which is called Shard. It was a very how to say? Innovative game. There was nothing like it before. And you could do these climbing things and stuff. No one else did this before, I think. Not in first person, that is. Is there anything else I want to do with this? I guess this thing and this thing is the most important for my functionality, and for debugging purposes this one is maybe also important. But this is when I actually have the system for it. Because this will work with abilities you collect while you're up there and find special enemies. Oh hey Ben, welcome back. It has indeed been a while. I'm doing good. We had a bunch of progress. Now I'm working on a new thing. Just figuring out what kind of functionality I need for the next UI. How have you been, man? What were you up to? So my player character would need a data storage in that thingy. Where is that storage? Cannot be the battle group, right? I see. And my brain is scrambled. Where would I put this? Right now, player controller. Here. There's a battle group here. I might need one more thing here, maybe. Well, this is very chaotic. Not structured at all. Where do we use this actually? I'm trying to remember if I already had something like this. I'm not building anything redundant. Most of the infos are in this battle group, of course. But that's not enough for us right now. Because the next infos I will add has nothing to do with the battle group itself. Oh, where's the battle group? Here. Let's open that. So yeah, we do say front and so on here, but there is nothing else, so we have to make another variable here. Or a struct or something. Do I have a struct here? Or do I have an actor that is referenced? Do I want functionality with the storage data? I have it here as struct. I could just hard-coded fill it, which of course in the end we will not have it like that. I might want a helper actor here that I initialize. Empty actor that is attached to the player. Never gets destroyed unless we close the game and load another one. How would this look like? I mean, we need now a storage of Orblings, which will need many informations about them. How do we store them right now? I mean, we create it here. Where does that go? It goes into the battle group. Spawn. Initialize. Internal stat, and the internal stat is the thing we need. But that's problematic now, because we don't want to spawn an internal stat per Orbling that is stored. We want the data actually not be an instance, we want them to be in data. Like a storage, a memory, something they like. Uh-oh. I might have an architectural problem here. We do these per class. Let's get into this. This also from instance then? Kernel stat, no, this is something different. Let us see how internal stat looks like. Like so. Base ID. What is this? Ah, okay. So we have all the Orblings in there. Bases at least. The growth comes from there. The modifiers are also here. I would need like a memorization of this, a snapshot of this inside an array. Right now these are just assets inside here. Like this. Just an actor with information in it. Now I want to store this. I could make a struct out of this thing, add the struct here, which means I have to redo all the assets, which is not many, but still. And then I could use the struct to save them somewhere. And when the Orbling needs to be spawned, I can do that, but I also need to save that struct inside a save data at some point. Oof, this is hard. Do I still have my save file thingy from my first stream where I tested stuff? This is like more than 210 days ago. I don't remember what I did in my first stream. Where is that? Not storage. Where did I save that? Wonder. Can't be here, right? Or is it? A storage data. Maybe it is this. Seems like I am using this for gate keys already and energy, which means this functionality was implemented after file. This functionality I don't have the save functionality anymore. Just an abstract. But this is a save game, and I was sure that I had some kind of operation to save this. Do I have that blueprint still, I wonder? Guess not. Be in here, could be in here, and not be in here. What does this do? Find first actor of class, storage data. What is this? Controller? Yes. It just gets the instance. Okay. This thing, where does that get initialized? Load storage data. Save storage data. Here it is. And I never use it yet. Makes sense because we don't have save data yet. And load probably then also not, right? I see something here. Load storage data, which will always be failing right now. Okay, so anything here will be a save game data, which means we want an array of all the Orblings we collected in here. I don't know what kind of size it will be, maybe 100, maybe 200, maybe smaller, I don't know, but it needs to be in here with them all having this shape. Means I should make a struct that has all of this. And then when I move something from the active to the storage, it needs to get all of this information into that struct. But if I turn this into a struct itself, it is just getting this struct inside that list and everything is golden, right? I just need to make a copy out of it, that of a reference. Should I begin this today or should I do this on Sunday? Not gonna lie, my brain is rather scrambled today. Make internal stats into one big struct. Use that struct to storage orblings away into an array in storage data. If getting something from storage data, comma, means, or getting something from storage data means to spawn an internal stat into the battle group. Don't forget to kill internal stat instance of the stored away Orbling. So this will be a refactoring thing. And then the rest is new implementation. I could start by copying all of this into a struct. What should we call this? Orbling information struct or something? Do we have something like this already? Orbling info? No. We can use all of this there. Permanent status effects. Just like if someone is dead. If I'm in the shrine, this will get cleared, probably. Calling it shrine, I'm still not sure if it is a shrine though. Okay, let's make this happen. Where do I put this? Overworld entity, Orblings here maybe? Would make sense. Structs, Orbling. Is it stat info or just info? I mean, it has some other things too, right? It's not just stats. These are all considered stats, no? Even the ability classes and so on. PvP level. It is, Ben, it is. I mean, all I'm doing right now is a framework. And it is not done yet. I wonder when I will be done, and when that's done, I have to create content. Oh my god, then I will probably die from that. I don't have the skill set. It will take a lot of time. It's like music, cutscenes, text. When will I do this? I need to design it. I need to get a concept out for the story, and oh my god. Oh man, I wish you luck. But I don't want to. I wanted to have a story. Needs to have a story. I mean, my prototype will probably have no story, where you can just play around with these cube-like things as a pre-alpha where you can test things out, but from there on I need to make the content. Yes, exactly. Right now my job is at a studio making some software to visualize some product, and this is my passion. What do we have here? We have temporal stat struct. We still use this, right? And then class that data struct. What is this? Am I using this? This looks a little small. I am using this. What the hell? Where? Since when? Who implemented this? But you are the sole developer. Oh right. I implemented this. And I don't remember. Great. Is this that? Looks like it. I see. It is the... now I know what this is. This is my... we have like 6 elements which are categorized in 3 classes, which is offensive, defensive, and a support harass class. And to make them like have advantage over the other, I have like a health pool that can have temporal damage and true damage, and from that we can say that some elements make more soft damage than others, and that the harass class's abilities to blind someone, for instance, has a higher chance to go through. Like the defense class has a negative resistance against these harassment types. Support harass class. Alright, okay, so this is something else. Base stat struct is my unchangeable base things for the Orblings, like the growth rate of stats and stuff. So I don't have anything like it yet. Although I would like to know. Yeah, they are all based on this, and this should now have another struct which is called, I don't know, where did I put it again? I put it in here, right? Yeah, it shouldn't be here. Should be in here as Orbling info struct, and this goes into the internal stat. Oh my god, so many tabs open and most of them are not relevant right now. Anyway, this goes here. Now I need my Orbling again. Where is my Orbling? My internal stat. Probably closed it by now. So let's open it again. Boop. And now we copy everything into here. I hate this. Well, here goes nothing. And then a lot of integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then ability classes, which are from type name and what? Map of name types to ability data asset template. Ability data asset template from class, and then name to, same thing but as an instance. Then personality. This is for choosing the target to attack. Also this one, feelings. We have a table where combination of these two will determine what pattern your Orbling will attack. Permanent status, which is name and a string. Wait, name and a string. Okay, And now we copy all of this over to here. I can't do that, damn it. Name. Type. Elements. ID. These things. Oh my god. You wish I was brainless monkey who could just copy and paste something. Wait, I am one. But why does it hurt me so much? I don't know. I guess this is the consequence of my past actions. Thank you, past monkey. Please copy it over, thank you. Oh, I can't read chat. Really interesting to hear your pronunciation. Well, yes. It's not my main language. Which thing did I read like that? Some things I can't even spell. It's very, very embarrassing. Anyway, here is our struct. And you would think, wow, yay, we are finished. Not so fast. Now this goes into here, which is our Orbling infos. Orbling info. Struct. Boom. And now we have to open all of these things and copy all of these things over to here. Did I say determine instead of determined? I always say that. God damn it, man. It is, isn't it? Another fun fact, like the place where deceased are stored or like laid to rest, a graveyard, you have like this thing you do, right? I call it a not with how to say in purpose, or how to say this. I don't do it because I want to. It's just because my brain is wired to say that. I say funreal instead of funereal. Oh my god. Why do I say real? I don't know. But yeah. It's bad. Funereal. Is it? It sounds very, very strange in my head. Funreal. No. Oh, damn it, man. I can't get it out of my brain. It's hardwired. Like, I don't know. Like hard-coded. Someone went in there and then said, yep, this is correct. This is now a core memory. Now, all of this... I don't know how many times I did this already, but here we are. You have to copy paste everything over from here into here. I love it. Which means if I get rid of these, I also have to refactor all the code to get it now from the... oh my god. Well, I guess I will do the copy pasting today. And next time we will do the refactoring. Ah. Zero, 1. That's good. Plus neutral. Go to that. Copy it here. Air. Boom. Go to that. Copy it here. Zero map for ability data, of course, as this is made in there, and this, and... huh. First one is done. I don't need it in 2 places. This thing is now obsolete. I need it in the struct because I will use the struct to save it in an array. I can say get the struct, add it to the array to store the Orbling away. Now all of these infos can be deleted. Like, where's my Orbling again? I closed it. I abstract my internal thingy, which is here. So we have all of this, but now we have the struct. We don't need all of this anymore. I can delete all of them. Did I just change the position? Was it here? Oh my god. I'm going to die. Level, XP level, yes. XP level should be fine, compile, whatever. Yes, I'm refactoring. But I will only copy paste, refactor this part, and then the code part I will do on Sunday. Because no. No, thank you. Not today. Why is this closed? Snack. Non-snack. 00001. Neutral. This one. Air again. Why is our keys with air? Interesting. This should be lightning. Let's change that real quick. Maybe it I needed to do something. And this is not the player one, so it's fine. It would always do the attack anyway. We need air. And the rest is correct. So these two are done. The player. Now that's funny. Why would a player have Orbling infos? So maybe we should rename that. Let's call it entity infostruct. And then entity infos. You got to be kidding me! Just because of the rename, all of the info is gone? Good thing I did it with the first two. God damn it, man. I hate my life. Copy paste from the beginning. Oh, the rest should be fine. This guy is finished. Okay, this is also done. The player. Yeah, I need to recompile the class itself before I do the struct, I would assume, so maybe that would cover it, but I don't know. Player 5 0 nothing nothing nothing. Okay. Fine. Next, tomati. We have 3 kinds of tomati. Isn't that great? Tomati, which is level 1. Neutral and fire. What the hell? And then this guy. And this guy. Rest is fine. Did I do the namings correct? Neutral, lightning, neutral, air. Nothing. And neutral fire. Same goes here now. Boop. Boop. Tomati. Level 2. This guy. With neutral. Guy with fire. This over here and on his house done. Okay, and then we open this. That's not good. Also, what I'm doing here is temporary. All of these things are right now developer spawns, and they will from then on oh wait, no, I still need this because I need to make designed enemies, which yeah, okay, never mind. I didn't say anything. I still need this, sadly, so this can still break. I don't like it. Please don't break. If you break, I will cry internally. And here are the player ones, which are not that important because we will save them, but we need to do them one time so we can save them. And they have a slot thing with Ishi. I do this, it doesn't need. With level 1. And it has 3 attacks. Whoa. Water. And Earth. And this goes in here, and this goes in here, and this goes in here. 1 down. 8 more to go. Fine. Next. Maybe I should save if something crashes. Would be bad. Boom. Boom. What version of Unreal do you guys use right now? Current stable, which is 5.3, right? 5.4 is almost there, I think. Yeah, 5.3. I'm at 5.2 right now. 4.26. I see. Well, if 5 crashes your PC, you could turn off some of the things that does crash it. Lumen, I see. Well, you have Lumen right now, no? But not for mobile, I see. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nightmare. I turned off Lumen in this project because it makes so many artifacts in my stuff. What was it again? Something from Lumen that needs something I needed to turn off, and Lumen doesn't work without it, so I needed to kick Lumen out of the way. Since my game won't be realistic anyway from the visual part, right now I'm not concerned to get it running again. Although it is funny that I'm using Unreal Engine 5 without using the features that it brings to the table. I'm like using it for a PlayStation 2 game. Yes, I know. But if I use it, my characters make this like this ghost image when I turn them off or when they walk around. I don't want that. I want it to be crisp. LODs. I wonder because my things are all low poly. I don't think anyone will have problems with my game. The biggest issue I have right now is a big area where I calculate the nav mesh. There I need to do something, but yeah. Why is this -3 now? I said 1. How did this turn -3? What did I press to make it -3? Oh my god, I can swipe this? Okay, never mind that. I hate it when it just copies next to this none. Hello? Just please. To be honest, I'd rather use older, more reliable software. I'm of guy that grew up. I mean, Unreal 5 is stable, but the thing is, it has so many features that could crash a lower system, of course. I mean, I started with nothing and I turned things gradually away. Yeah, that's also my mindset. Stay current in the hopes that it will stay current longer. Now I have to check all the Orblings from before again if I did the thing correct. Seems like it. Yes, okay. Oof. It's not ending. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. This is Shroomy. 1 plus. Give me that. Give me that. And give me that. And then this one, and this one. Rest is fine. Save next. Wait, where's the last chat I read? I guess my feeling is, yeah, okay. I'm also in love with Niagara, and that system keeps improving by leaps and bounds. Ah, yeah. Makes sense. I also. Yeah. I see. I wonder if Unreal 5 would have that problem too. I mean, optimization should be always the last thing you do. At least that's what everyone says. I'm not sure if it's correct. And then this one, and this one. Almost done. Next. Oh, 4 more to go. Perfect. This one. And snack. 1. Well. Here. Wait, let me check. Fine, okay. And lightning. This. 3 more. Mati, this one. Fire and lightning. Something is still in my head. You said that I am doing this game as a passion project, and that you are doing things as a career thing, but I'm sure what you're doing is also from passion, isn't it? I mean, who's to tell what passion really is? Yeah, exactly. Passion has many forms and shapes. Oh, are we done? We're done! I'm done! I copy-pasted everything. Ah, finally. Alright. I guess Sunday I have a nightmare of refactoring all of this. I have to go inside. The name is not used, isn't that nice? Which means it is used somewhere else, maybe. The type. Oh my god. Maybe I should rename these. Look, this cannot be. I'm sure this is used somewhere. Here, for instance. I have to rename all of them, save the whole project, and then search for them. Because name could be anything. If I go here and do this, yeah, good luck finding it. I'm also a hobbyist, scene. I mean, I do this on my free time. Ah, you mean this? This is for the calculation of my true stats. I have like the modifier and the growth rate from the level and stuff, and then it gets calculated and spit out. And depending on what enumeration I use, it gives me the max HP, the defense or something. So I don't have to make it manually. Anyway, that's it for today. Ben, Scene, thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.